Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna try to wear the winter outfit with the shawl, and we're gonna see how it look like. Okay guys, the first I have this outfit. So I wear this one. I put my shawl here. Walking outside is cold. Yeah, I have my jacket. So guys, that's how I do it. Everything is covered. Then it's the winter. It's begin here. Both second hand, so everything is second hand. I just put it like this, normal, like always. Ready to go. And I have this one on top of it. Oh. And I also have this one. To get over it. Done! And now is the shoe. Here the yes. Here is my winter out style. My winter style. Okay, try the other outlook. Inside the house is warm, but outside is cold. This one you can turn like that. Or put the shoe. So guys, how it look like? Okay guys, this is the last outfit like this, and the leather. I never use this one. So nice to get yourself nice. I don't know where I get this one. You can also use like this. Whatever you can, whatever you want, whatever you want. So tuck it here because it's outside is cold. So like this. You can put any jacket. Maybe this one is fit with this one. So like this guys. So this one, this leather is not really good at behind. It's already stayed so long in the cabinet. That's why it's little bit so. Okay. And the funny thing is, you can put this one. This is the winter. Look like this guys. What a funny. Wear it when it's really cold. Kalau dingin banget baru dipakai. If not so cold, just wear it like this. Okay guys, that is for today. Hope you enjoy watching this video and leave me a comment and what you think about it. See you next time. Bye. Okay guys. Oh. This is how it looks from the on top.